it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's Glossy box. So yes, we have a Glossy box unboxing today. It is the December box. I've seen the box design, it's very festive and very pretty. Jakey's joining us today, aren't you? Huh? I suppose it's only fair because Luna was in the last video, wasn't she? Yes. You're going to sit next to me. Cool. Where are you going? Okay, he's going to be antisocial and sit with his back to the camera by the look of it. Okay, so if you don't know about Glossy Box is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's quite a makeup heavy one. I also subscribe to Look Fantastic. I find that's more skincare heavy, so I get the two. It's a nice balance. Glossy Box, you get 5 different products per month. Beauty, various, makeup, skincare, hair stuff, treats, bits and bobs. This costs £13.25 per month on a monthly subscription, or, oh, Jakey's off. Or if you are doing it on a 12-month subscription, which is the one that I have, I pay £11.75. So I tend to find I get way more than my money's worth. Okay, Jake's abandoned the comfy bed for the floor. Anyway guys, I have not opened this yet, so without further delay, let's open it together. Okie dokie. So in here, we get our box. How gorgeous is the box? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's even prettier than I was expecting, to be honest. Oh, we've also got some little sponsory deals. Yeah. Nothing as exciting as this. It says the best time of the year. It's super sparkly, super duper pretty. So let's open it up. And inside we get a little card that tells us about the products inside. And then inside, nicely packed, are our products. They always come with a lovely little ribbon. And again, that says the best time of the year. And then inside, behind some tissue paper and a Glossy Box sticker, are our products, which I will give you a very quick sneak peek of. I think possibly the sneak peek from last month was an eye cream, but I'm not 100% sure. So I will take a look at the little booklet and we'll go through the products one by one. I've showed you it the wrong way. This is the way. So the theme this month is Merry Christmas, and it says offering the ultimate mix of Christmas parties and cozying up at home. December really is our favourite month, which is why our best time of the year Glossy Box is made of 5 fabulous products that are perfect for these very occasions. With pampering skincare products and Christmas-inspired cosmetics, we've thought of everything you need to feel glam this festive season. Now, that sounds nice, but also this festive season isn't quite the same as usual. There is no Christmas parties this year. So that's slightly, yeah. I think Look Fantastic did the same with their box. But anyway, let's take a little look at what is inside. Okay, so the very first item, and I think this was our sneak peek from last month, it is a glycolic acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye cream. It is worth £102. My goodness. In here we get 15 mils. The little write-up on this says, this overnight serum is the ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes in need of relief. Glycolic acid boosts skin's firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness and excess oils, while RNA helps skin to combat the signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles and brown spots. It says with its shimmering properties, the third key ingredient, mica, aims to reflect light from the skin for a smoother and more radiant complexion. They're really worth £102. That's bonkers. Look Fantastic also had an expensive eye cream this month. I think it was worth like 98 or something, so they've upped the game with this one. But it's Symbiosis London. I've never heard of them, but hey, if it's nice, I will happily give it a go. Okay, so the very next product we get then is a nail polish. And this one is from Nailberry. It is a full-sized item. The first one was also. This is worth £15. So this is in the flavour, I was going to say, in the colour Strawberry Jam. And a little write-up on this says, no look would be complete this December without festive-inspired fingernails. I have been meaning to paint mine for days now. So cool, confident, with a dash of old-school glamour, the vibrant hue of this dark red pink Strawberry Jam nail polish is a sublime choice. L'Oxygen polishes are also considerate for your nails' future health, utilising patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure. So yeah, it's a nice Christmassy kind of berry red. It's more of a pinky shade of red. It's really nice. I can get some use out of that. Maybe even a good polish for my toes. Okie the next item is from Wonder Beauty Inc. And it is a baggage claim gold eye mask packet. So I think that there are some little eye gel in here that are gold. So it's very Christmassy. These are worth £4 for just a set. However, if you were buying a full-size pack of 6, it would be worth £20. So it says, experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these gold under-eye masks. Perfect for pre-Christmas pampering. A top layer of gold foil allows the serum to penetrate deeply into your skin, whereas the second and third layers ensure the masks stay put and deliver the key ingredients efficiently. Giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need for your complexion, you will instantly appear brighter and more hydrated after use. So that sounds nice. It's always nice to have an eye mask. Gold ones are very festive. Okay, so now Jake's joined us again. We'll move on to our 4th item, which is a quite big little guy. It is a highlighter. Okay, so it says it's from Sport FX and it is a H-I-T-T, highlighter. It is created with all types of active women in mind. Sport FX works as hard as you do. It's infused with sweet almond oil. The buildable formula in this high-intensity illuminating trio provides a gorgeous natural glow and is designed to stay put whatever you're up to. So it's a highlighter for the gym. It's 3 shades, make it perfect for different skin tones, whilst its light texture allows the skin to breathe. And this has a retail price of £13. So let's open it up and have a little look at it. I'm not desperate for a highlighter. The ones I'm using at the minute that I love are Colourpop, and I adore those. And then I have some Revolution ones I like, so part of me's like, I don't really need this. Oh, it's broken slightly. Oh dear, it's not a good start. Okay, so I'm guessing that's just maybe the glue's come off. Are you licking your feet? Right. But they look like shades that I can use. The gold's quite festive. Yeah, not blown away by it. And the fact that one of them is loose isn't ideal. I was going to say as well, when I saw it was a highlighter and how I didn't really need one, I was thinking I might put it in a giveaway. But the fact that it is slightly broken, I'm not going to give that to anybody. That's silly. Okie dokie, and the last item then. Okay, I can't find the last item. I think that perhaps they've given me something different. In the leaflet that we get, I have got a pack of Basic Beauty Deluxe Mini Coloured Emery boards. To be honest, that doesn't blow me away. I don't need an emery board. I use Leighton Dennis Crystal Nail File. I love that. But it looks instead like I've got something from Palmer's, and it is their Cocoa Butter formula. So it's a moisturiser. It smooths, marks and revives tattoos, apparently. Softens, smooths, relieves rough skin, dry skin, 24-hour moisturiser. To be honest, I don't need a moisturiser, but that's more useful probably than some emery boards, and yeah. So, don't know what happened there. Is this like the 2nd month they've done this? Okie dokie then, so a rundown of this month's box. Let's start with the box design itself. Super duper pretty, really, really like that. And then the products then that we get inside. It's an okay box. I think I was like, yeah, I had higher things in mind when it came to it. With it being Christmassy, I was kind of hoping for maybe a bit more. But it's an okay box. Like I say, I get my money's worth with this. It's just, you know, sometimes some boxes are better than others. The eye cream is worth a lot of money. So if this is any good, that's really good tapping here, to be honest. But I've had a lot of eye cream recently from boxes. I've only just started using the Glossy Box's own eye cream, which again, I've just started using it, but that's okay. Okay, so the next thing we got a nail polish. I can always use some nail polish. I just need to find the time to do my nails. The highlighter palette. It's a nice size, a little bit disappointing in there it's slightly broken. Don't really need a highlighter. Sport Effects, am I right in thinking it's like a brand that Sports Direct have done? So I'm a little bit like about it, but you never know, it might be amazing. Eye patches, always useful. And the little extra one kind of we got instead of some emery boards, some Palmer's Cocoa Butter. that's nice. I can use it, I'm sure, or I can pass it along to somebody who will use it. So again, it's an okay box. It's not overwhelming. I was expecting more for Christmas. I suppose these two scream Christmas. The highlighter might have been, but I don't know. I feel, yeah, weird about that. That's the wrong product. And yeah, that should be nice. It's expensive. Do we really think it's actually worth £102? Okay then, so before I leave you, let's have a little look at the sneak peek on the back of the booklet to show you what is in next month's box. January's box. Where's the year gone? So January. So this little preview says, January is all about starting anew. And what better to take inspiration from than nature? To start off 2021, we're focusing on the natural and the pure, which is why we're bringing you eCooking's Moisturising Serum. Worth £22.50 and packed with natural ingredients, this product will give your skin a hydration boost that it requires. Have I had that from a Look Fantastic before? I've got it in my bathroom cabinet. I think I've used it. If it's the same one, I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to investigate before I do next month's box. Okie dokie then, guys. That is this month's Glossy box, the very last Glossy box of the year. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of it below. Like I said, I'm not blown away, but it's not terrible by any means. Let me know what you guys think. If you're not subscribed, does it make you want to? If you are a subscriber, are you happy? Does it make you want to unsubscribe? I have seen a lot of people on social media recently who are not very happy with Glossy box. So yeah, drop me a comment and let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. I'll be unboxing a Glossy box every month along with the Look Fantastic boxes, various other hauls and bits and bobs. I'm hoping that by the end of this week I will have had up this video and a Revolution haul that I did recently. I'm just trying to find the time. And if you haven't checked out my puppy video, check that out. That'll explain why I haven't been uploading as regularly as I would like. Anyway, guys, take care and I will see you very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Are you going to say goodbye? Oh no, you're facing the other way. Bye.